We're in today with the GT 635. This is a 2013 video card with 384 shaders. It's got 1 GB of VRAM DDR3 running at 967 MHz on the core clock and 1001 MHz on the memory clock. It's got 64 bits bus width, DirectX 11, and today we're gonna pair it up with this Intel Xeon W3690 with 6 cores and 12 threads. I think this is a very interesting video card, but the best thing we can do for it, jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. If we're starting with Fortnite on 720p, because this is the generic resolution that I will have all day, this video card cannot do more than this, seriously. So I don't think it can push more, and I think this is the most adequate performance this can take. In this situation, you can clearly see that it's capable of holding on 720p, 100 fps with 720p, 100% render scale. It's almost there, you know, it's not that bad. 900 megabytes of VRAM utilized, maximum core load. It's normal for a video card like this to have the core on maximum. Nice performance, stays around 60 fps whenever you are looking around the map and stuff. You know, it's a lot of details for a video card like this to process, but 720p is the most ideal resolution in the situation. I put the fan on maximum, that is 60% power. It's a very small fan, and seeing this video card sitting around 66 degrees, I will say, you know what, that's a decent performance when it comes to this. Whenever you are playing a game and you got online 10 ms or less, you need to understand that is the best this video card or the hardware can do. Let's see, can I take this? Whoa. In the blind, I just randomly shot him. And I was like, damn. You need to understand that there's not a lot of games that I can play on a GT 635, you know. This is not a high-end video card. It's a very, very small video card. And yeah, definitely I need to select the games properly. This is a performance that this video card can actually achieve. In this case, you can actually see that it's doing a fantastic work on delivering this FPS, hundreds of FPS in this case. I'm impressed that it's holding over 60 FPS. This is the most important thing. I got maximum core load in this situation with this video card. Can't complain about this video card because it's not a high-end performance, you know. 720p in this case, it's helping the video card, and I like it. It's giving the opportunity for the video card to actually do some nice performance here with only 1 GB of VRAM. Not even a high-end VRAM in this situation, but if I put the right games, some light games, you can actually achieve some nice FPS. It's giving you the right FPS, but you need to make the adjustment here with 720p properly. If you can put the video card in such a good position, then the video card is going to offer you. The resolution needs to be down, the quality needs to be on smooth, and overall performance is going to be quite okay with this. If you put it on 720p, you're going to get playable FPS over 60, and it's actually enjoyable, seriously, with this video card. This is going to be very interesting, but I just came for the memes because I knew that this video card is not very capable of delivering some FPS in PUBG. I put everything on lowest details, render scale is very down, 720p, and the video card is barely holding 40 fps. I just wanted to show you how it's running in PUBG. You know, 250 watts consumption from this computer is not okay, seriously. It's maxing out even this 635, you know, this game. I mean, if you're interested on actually playing the game like this, you can. It's free to play, but you're gonna have a lot of hard time on actually achieving top 10. But if you can do top 10, then you're the winner in this case. So yes, PUBG with 720p with 70% render scale and everything on very low, you cannot do it, you know. If maybe lower resolution, maybe you can put a custom resolution and it will allow you. The only way I can see that, if I can put window mode and I lower the resolution to 1024, then it's going to take the resolution from the desktop and you're gonna have lower resolution and gonna have higher performance. That's the only way I think you will achieve decent performance in PUBG. How about playing Dota 2 with this video card? On 720p with lowest details, you get 90 fps on average. Let's see if we can actually get a battle here. Maybe we can get lucky, but the overall performance is great. You know, if you get 100 fps and under 10 ms, there is a high chance you can actually play the game. The only problem is getting that fps FPS in a team fight. On the system side, you can see I got 12.1 gig of system RAM used. 50 degrees on the CPU side is less demanding than PUBG in this case, with 30% load. Overall performance is great. 750 megabytes of VRAM utilized here. Only 50-60% load on the video card. I will say this resolution is not very demanding on the video card, but it's giving me the nice average on the FPS. The moment I put 60 FPS here in the game, you never want to go back. The moment you achieve 10 ms, you always want to do that. Now if you put 1080p, I think the video card is going to struggle because it cannot deliver that amount of performance. This is going to be very interesting because I got 720p with normal details. I got already maximum VRAM, I got already maximum core load. The only thing I can do now is put more FPS, and in order to put more FPS, we're gonna adjust that frame scale in order to get it. Now see, I got 100% render scale here. There is no modification, and I got 40-50 FPS. If I go in the frame scale, I can put this on 0.5, or we're gonna start from 0.8 and see if we can actually cheat it with a little less render scale. Okay, 47, not okay. I think I have to go straight up to 0.5 in this case. Cut half of the render scale, and that's it. 60 FPS, okay. It looks very doggo, but I got 60 FPS. So this is how you make GTA 5 run with this video card. 720p low details and 50% render scale. And you activate FXAA so you don't see that rough edges. In this case, you can see I got 60-70 FPS on average, maximum VRAM utilization, maximum core load, under 60 degrees on the video card. So overall performance, it's almost there. You know, I wish I didn't have to use the render scale, but in order to play GTA 5, this is what you have to do. Adjust the frame scale in order to get the best performance here. Definitely I will not take this video card online because there you have even lower FPS. So in this case, I will consider a single player mode better options in this case. Just for the memes, I put the video card in Counter-Strike to see how it's running on 720p, and in this case with performance on Fidelity FX, I'm actually curious to see how it's performing. You can see that the video card is on maximum VRAM utilization, it's on maximum core load. This is not the right video card to play this game. I barely have any playable FPS. I think in order to play better, you have to put even a lower resolution in Windows in order to get this game running with less than 720p. 1024 it will be ideal, but in this case, yeah, it's very hard. I cannot say nothing bad about this video card because it's very hard on actually achieving good FPS with a video card like this. But if you're interested on actually having any games that is running with this video card, it's gonna be very hard on you. 720p in this case is not the right resolution to actually play this game with this video card, but if you do want to play it, my suggestion would be to go on 1024, and then you will have a small chance on actually starting the game. In War Thunder is very important because, like I said at the beginning, this video card is not capable of delivering nice FPS with this power that is got under the hood. You can actually see 931 megabytes of VRAM utilized here, 99% load on the core of the video card. It's there, struggling to deliver some FPS. 8 gig of system RAM. The CPU is doing fantastic. 55 degrees on the CPU. In some cases it's doing even better, but majority of the time you will see that the CPU and the system doesn't have any problem. And having 720p with minimal details in a game, it's okay. You know, it's not something that I will like to put on the side because there's not lots of games that actually runs really nice. I think I can increase the resolution just to have a little more performance, but overall idea with 720p was good. You know, you can actually see there's a lot of buffer room in this case because sometimes it's 60 FPS, sometimes it's 70 FPS, sometimes it's very volatile on the FPS. Definitely an interesting game to play on this video card. There is no question. People are looking now at the new model of Call of Duty, you know, but majority of the time, if you have a video card like this, you'll be like, oh man, can I play any games on it? Yes, you take this Black Ops and try to fight with some people online or with some bots, and you can actually see the video card is capable of delivering some nice FPS. The core is on maximum, so in order to get this video card running perfectly, I put around 720p with low details in this case, but you can clearly see it's doing the job here. you know. So if I need more details or more resolution, it depends on you. Let's put it on 1080p because I got a lot of room in front for this video card. Seriously, I got 60 fps, 7. So it's not okay, you know. I would rather put the 720p with 200 fps. That was much better in this case. You can actually see now the frame time. It's not that great. It's over 10 ms, maybe 900p. In some cases it will be even better like that, but definitely there is options for this video card in this game to get more fps. It's a challenge. It's a challenge to put this video card in the right games. If you can manage to do that, you can have a lot of fun. I like the video card because it's a one slot unit video card. It's got no external power supply needed, you know. It's low profile. You can change the bracket and you can put it in a low profile position in a small computer. The idea that you can utilize this video card in every computer is fascinating for me because it allows me to restore any kinds of machines. You know, if you want to convert an old office machine, you can do it. If you want to build a very small computer, you can do it. This type of video card is very fascinating because they are very versatile and they can do a lot of things. Now, the only thing you have to do here is choose the right games if you're interested on gaming it with it. Choose the right resolution and the right quality, and you'll end up with some nice entertainment. I know what to do with a video card like this. You know, I like the video card and I really recommend a challenge like this when it comes to a video card that is very small, because it will allow you to go further when it comes to accessibility, when it comes to budgets and building a computer with less money. This is one of those challenges, and it's very important to have that skill. So yeah, I like it. I recommend it. And if you have any suggestion for this system or for the video card, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.